guys, hope you're well, hope you're all good, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, akwaba. That means welcome in a Ghanaian language. So in this video, I'll be doing a comparison between the Ben Nye Banana setting powder and the Mercier translucent setting powder. So I've been alternating between the two for a while now, and I just wanted to do this video to show you the differences and the similarities, and you can tell me which one's best or tell me which one you prefer. To get into the pricing, I bought the Ben Nye Banana powder in New York about 5 years ago. I bought the bigger bottle that is 85 grams, and I bought it for about $40 to $60 back then. That was 5 years ago. I can't remember the name of the shop. But I wear makeup at least 5 to 6 days out of the week, and I always use my setting powder, and I'm just about halfway through, if you can see that there. Yeah, so I've got another 5 years of this Ben Nye setting powder to go through, which is great and it's good for money. I recently just purchased the Mercier. I got it from a online UK store called Space UK. I got it for £29 and you get about 29 grams worth of it. Looking on Amazon, you can get the Ben Nye for about £29 as well, for about 42 grams, but this one is 29 grams for £29 as well. So this one is more expensive than the Ben Nye, and you get more for the Ben Nye for the same price that you do for the Mercier. So looking at the color for the two setting powder, I feel like the Ben Nye Banana has a more orangey, yellowish, warmer tone to it, and the Mercier has a more cool, neutral tan color to it. So in the next clip, I'm going to show you how the two powders look when applying it on your face. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to concentrate on underneath the eyes. I've already applied my concealer, and I'm going to use my makeup sponge to apply the Ben Nye powder on my right side. It feels smooth, but as you can see, it does appear patchy, so I'm just going to use a bit more powder to fill in those gaps. Using a new sponge, I'm now going to apply the Mercier on my left side. The application on this one feels a lot more smoother, a lot more easy. It glides across my face really well, and I think that's because this powder is a lot more finely milled. I'm now going to use my Real Techniques brush to brush off the excess powder. So that's the rest of my makeup done, and this is the finished look. 3 hours later, I still have the Ben Nye powder on my right and the Mercier on my left, and it doesn't crease at all, and I feel like I can't tell the difference between the two. I feel like the Ben Nye powder is slightly more yellowish, and the Mercier is more transparent, if you understand what I mean. But other than that, I can barely tell the difference between the two. But let me know what you think. I could be delusional, but I can't tell the difference between the two at all. So now down to the big question, which one is my favorite? I don't have one. I think they're both really good powders. I think they apply on well. I think 3 hours later there's no creasing. They both do the job. I feel like the only difference is the price, and it really comes down to personal preference. I think what I'm going to do is continue using my Ben Nye powder on a sort of day-to-day basis, and on the odd days or nights or moments that I just want to have a bit more vava-voom, I'll probably use the Mercier, but that's simply because I just want to feel a bit more expensive. So please let me know what you think. If you feel that one looks better on me than the other, please share. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.